All right, students, welcome to your first day of your flipped classroom. This week our grammar topic is subjects and predicates. So first we need to start off with, what is a simple sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. It's not a fragment, and we'll talk about fragments later on in the week. A sentence is a complete thought. It has a subject and a predicate. We are going to learn how to find the subject and the predicate of simple sentences. So for example, a sentence is, I like strawberries for breakfast. It doesn't say strawberries for breakfast. It doesn't say I like. It says I like strawberries for breakfast. Here we go with the subject of a simple sentence. The subject usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. Now this is not always true, but for most of the time, the subject begins at the start of the sentence. It can be one word, or it can be more than one word. So for example, he loves chocolate. The subject of that sentence is he, which is why it's underlined, but you can see it's only one word. But in this sentence, my friends and I eat lots of pizza, you can see that the subject is my friends and I, and it's underlined, and that's the subject. It can be more than one word. The complete subject includes all the words in the subject. So, our teacher loves school. Teacher would be the simple subject because it's only talking about the teacher, but the complete subject is our teacher. That is the complete subject. Here's an example. All our desks are neat. Well, what is the sentence about? This is some questions you can ask yourself in order to find the subject of the sentence. So what is this sentence talking about? Well, this sentence is talking about desks. There's talking the fact that the desks are neat. But so what is the complete subject? The complete subject is all the words in the subject. So desks is what the sentence is about. So the complete subject is all our desks. So all our desks are neat. Another trick to finding the subject is find the verb in the sentence and then look before the verb, because typically it's at the beginning of the sentence. So all our desks is the subject. This is an interactive question, and you'll see this a lot on flipped classrooms. This is where you can talk to your iPad, your smartphone, your computer, your laptop, your screen. You can talk out loud. Nobody's going to hear you. If you get the answer wrong, oh well, you learn from your answer. But I will give you time to tell the answer to my questions. So here's my example sentence. The teachers work very hard. I want to find the complete subject of that sentence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself this question first. What is the sentence about? Go ahead and say it. Don't be shy. What's this sentence talking about? If you said teachers, you're exactly right. So what is the complete subject? The complete subject is all the words of the subject, all the words before the verb. So that would be what? What are all the words at the beginning of the sentence? It is the teachers, absolutely. So the teachers worked very hard. The teachers is the complete subject. Here's another interactive question. Our school is the best. Well, what is the sentence about? Well, technically the sentence is about Hembry Springs because it's the best, but for this sentence it's our school. And what is the complete subject? All the words before the verb, all the words of the subject, and that is our school. So our school is the best. So what you're going to do on the form online, you need to pause the video when I finish talking so that you can see all the questions. Then you are going to type in your response to the answer. So it says type in the complete subject of each sentence. So you're going to find the subject, the complete subject of each of these sentences and answer them on the web page. Then the teacher can go back and look at your responses and see how you did. And that way we can teach you better. This is the whole point of this. But you need to practice pausing the video in order to answer the questions. If you're in full screen, you're going to have to go out of full screen by hitting the escape button or getting out of it on your iPad in order to answer the questions online.